Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Aligned Family Wellness Podcast. And I am your host, Dr. Kim Sheppard. I am a pediatric and prenatal chiropractor. I am also a internationally board certified lactation consultant. So today we're going to be talking about something that is like super, super near and dear to my heart. And that is the importance of wellness care as a chiropractic patient. And so why this matters to me is because I think people don't understand the importance of wellness care after you've kind of achieved whatever your goal is, your pain relief or whatever. And so today's episode, we are basically going to explore the world of chiropractic wellness care, how it works, why it matters, how you can improve your overall health and vitality by having wellness care. So let's dive in. First of all, we want to start with the basics. We want to talk about exactly what is chiropractic wellness care. So, a lot of people think that chiropractic care has to do with back pain and just the spine and just, neck pain, but it's so much more than that. Chiropractic care, wellness care especially, it's basically a holistic approach that focuses on the health of the nervous system, which is crucial because the nervous system controls everything in your body. As chiropractors, we aim to keep your spine and nervous system in optimal alignment. We ensure that the signals that travel from your brain to the rest of your body are flowing like they should. Sometimes we use the analogy of like a garden hose. If there's a kink in that garden hose, the water's just going to kind of trickle out. And so if we can remove that interference, the water, if we remove that kink, the water flows so freely and beautifully, and you can water your garden. So through these adjustments, we help to improve your posture, we can reduce pain, we increase mobility, we help immune function, and we just make your overall nervous system work better, mostly to help decrease stress, because that's what most of us are dealing with. But it's not about treating the symptoms. It's about improving your overall quality of life by promoting wellness care. And I've said this before, like it's not, we have to think of chiropractic care differently instead of thinking about it as such a urgent care situation. I hurt my neck, I need to be seen today. We need to think about it as preventative. And dentistry is a great example of that. You get your teeth cleaned every 6 months, whether you need it or not. Chances are you get in there and you need it, but you don't realize it because you've been doing good. But if dentistry operated on the model of urgency, you would just wait and come in when you had a toothache and you would need to have a cavity filled, you would need to have a root canal. In the long run, it costs you more to have those sort of procedures than having wellness care to make sure that your mouth is healthy and well so that you don't need the big procedures later on. So that's kind of the same concept. So we need to talk about the benefits of wellness care. Why would you do wellness care? Why would you consider staying in care after your condition or your main complaint has healed? So we want to talk about why it matters. So you've probably heard so much about just the neck and back pain adjustments. And we are talking so much beyond that. We in our office are not really an urgent care type chiropractic office. We are a wellness care office. And, most of the time, if you're a new patient and you're calling in and you're like, hey, I threw my back out today, that's just not what we serve. We serve people with they're looking for health and wellness care in the long term. So yes, obviously, one of the benefits of wellness care is pain relief. And we say we're not a pain-based chiropractic office, but the reality of it is a lot of things manifest as pain. So stress and anxiety manifest as pain, whether it's low back pain or neck pain. And we understand that and we honor that because that's important. But we need you to understand that we are treating more than just your neck and back pain. We are treating the root cause, which is your nervous system dysregulation. So pain relief is obvious. Chiropractic care is so effective in treating conditions like back pain, sciatica, neck pain, and headaches. But addressing that root cause is so important instead of masking the symptoms. And the root cause is usually stuck stress in your spine. Posture is a big one. We see this a lot with our kiddos and our teens. We are all guilty of slouching, looking down at our phone for hours. And this constant strain on your neck and shoulders can cause a lot of misalignments in your spine. And so chiropractic adjustments help relieve the spine, which allows you to sit up straight and relieve the strain on your neck and shoulders. This is really, really bad in these like grade school age kids, even up. Teenagers listen a little bit more, but you have to stop looking down at your phones, you guys. You have to stop. So, number three is a big one: stress reduction. This is huge. All of us are stressed. Your kids are stressed. Your teens are stressed. You are stressed. Stress manifests physically in your body, especially in your muscles and joints. And chiropractic care helps reduce the overall tension in your body, which then helps lower your stress levels and helps your body function more efficiently. But if we look at it from a neurologic standpoint, our nervous system has two sides. We've got our fight or flight and our rest and digest. Most of us are operating in this fight or flight mode all the time. You are stressed out, you are running on stress hormones, and your nervous system is fried. And what we can do is we can actually measure the amount of stress in your nervous system, and we can tell where you are on a graph of your nervous system dysregulation. Are you in the green zone? Are you doing great? Are you in the yellow zone? Are you in the caution? Like, hey, your body is telling you something. Or are you in the red zone where you are prone to injuries and chronic sicknesses and just burnout? We can measure that and we can show you that on a graph because it's so important to understand where you are on the stress levels in your nervous system. If your nervous system is not functioning, you will be more prone to getting sick all the time. You will be more prone to sleep issues and exhaustion. And we are seeing that right now. Patients will come in and be like, yeah, our family has been sick like 5 times in a row. You guys, that is not normal. Being sick is normal. It's okay for your immune system to work. But if you cannot ever get over these illnesses, you cannot ever rebound, then that tells us your nervous system is dysfunctioning. So, another reason why you should be in chiropractic care is for mobility and flexibility. If you are misaligned in your spine, it can limit the range of motion, making it harder to move. We restore that mobility and allow you to move without discomfort. So we always say motion is lotion. You guys have to be moving. And what we find is that we are so sedentary. Everybody has a sitting job at a computer. And if you are not being intentional about your movement, you are sitting too much. And that is causing basically you to have stiffness and not be mobile. And then that leads to pain. So improve sleep. This is a huge one that I've been focusing on in my own life. So chiropractic care helps alleviate pain and reduce stress. A lot of our patients, especially our little babies, they sleep so well after their adjustments. I always tell the parents, like, hey, they're going to sleep really hard and they're probably going to poop a lot after their adjustment because we shift your body into rest and digest mode by working on your nervous system. So when your body is in better alignment, it allows you to get into a deep, relaxed, restorative sleep. When that nervous system is regulated, you can calm down and get the deep sleep that you need. If you are stressed and your body is in fight or flight and you feel like you're being chased by a bear, you are not getting good restorative sleep. I'm telling you that from experience. So we have got to regulate that nervous system to get you in that rest and digest mode so you can sleep amazing and be able to function well the next day. So boosted immune system. I feel like I talk about this all the time, but I am telling you guys, especially in this year of horrible flu that we've been dealing with, chiropractic adjustments help improve your immune system. We are decreasing that fight or flight side of your nervous system so that your body can respond to immune challenges. We are not all immune to being sick. All of us are going to be sick, but I want to reduce your chances of being sick 5 times a year to maybe just once a year, and you're sick for maybe a couple days and you're over it. And I have seen this so much in my own life since being blessed with having Dr. Kylie in the office and getting adjusted 2 and 3 times a week. It has been a game changer for my immune system. We see it with the kiddos in our office all the time. And we say this all the time. If parents are coming in and they're saying, hey, my kid's on his fourth ear infection, I need you to help heal him. Here's the deal. This is a long path back. We want to get you to where you are being able to work on your immune system, not play catch up. So, what I mean by that is you guys come in crisis care. We need a lot of time to stabilize that immune system. So I always tell my patients, we are working on your immune system now for next year's flu epidemic or whatever. We are working on that now so you can be more resilient. We have kiddos with chronic strep that come in. We started working on their immune system in the summer for this cold and flu season. And guess what? No episodes of strep. So it is really, really amazing for your immune system. And that's why you need to continue with wellness care, because the minute we stop and life gets in the way, that immune system is going to dysregulate again because your nervous system is going to be off and you're going to end up getting sick. If it's not broke, don't fix it. So if you are doing well with chiropractic care, you're not sick, you haven't had these episodes, then why would you stop treatment? We back off your appointments, we get you to come in less frequently, but you continue to get the good benefits of wellness care because we are keeping your nervous system functioning well. So chiropractic care is so unique because we are all about the holistic approach to health. So we don't look at symptoms, we look at your overall well-being. So we focus on that spine and nervous system because everything is connected. So chiropractic care also involves things like lifestyle advice. We also give nutritional guidance, or we talk about doing supplements and even give you some stretches and exercises to do. This is all a part of your wellness care journey, and we are here to guide you. We want you to be as healthy as can be, but sometimes we need a little help with some supplements or some things to get our immune system boosted while we're going through this period of time. So we are such an advocate of preventative care. So that means experiencing your wellness care even when you're not in pain. The biggest thing that I hear is, I didn't even realize it was time for my appointment. I've been feeling so good. And I always say to the patient, that's amazing, because that is exactly where I want you to be when you come in. I don't want you come in and being like, I've had headaches for the past week. I want you to come in and feel good and be like, hey, I got my reminder and I wasn't even, feeling like I needed to come in. But that is what makes wellness care so beautiful. And if you make chiropractic adjustments part of your routine, then you can proactively prevent future health issues by keeping your body in tip-top shape. So a lot of people are like, I'm too busy. I have so many things to do. How can I fit this into my busy life? So it is so much easier than you guys realize. When we schedule your adjustments, when you're on a consistent care plan, you are coming multiple times a week. But here's the deal. We are working moms too. We understand this. We build everything out ahead of time for you. We find your ideal schedule. We schedule all your appointments out ahead of time so that you can make these appointments. You are in our office less than 15 minutes. We respect your time and we run on time. And so we want to make sure you are in and out because we know you have lots of places to go. And we make this part of your routine. We have an app that you can schedule your own appointments. You can move your appointments around. If you get a meeting that gets called, you can move your own appointments around. You can reschedule. You can two-way text us. We make this as easy as we can on you, but you have to make it a priority. And that's the biggest thing. If you feel like it's just one more thing you have to do, you won't make it a priority. But when you see the results that can happen in your life and your family's life, it's going to make such a difference. And if you are someone who's always on the go, we get that. We're the same. We understand. So we try to always have your school's schedule so we know what days your schools are off, what days are holidays. We try to work around that. We can create a personalized plan for you based on your own goals and concerns. We also understand that chiropractic care isn't for everybody. That is okay. We may not be the office for you. If you are somebody that's like, hey, I just want to call you as needed and I just want to come in every 6 months when I need something, that is okay, but we are not the office for you. Because if you are dealing with chronic episodes of pain, stress, posture issues, you want to improve your wellness, you're active, then we want you in wellness care. And we don't want to be your crutch, your urgent chiropractic care. We want to be the place where you come and you commit to your care plan and you commit to your wellness. Now, that's not saying that if you needed something, you could add extra visits. Always, always, always. We want to take care of you if you are hurting or if you need an extra boost adjustment. By all means, you are welcome to do that. But we need you to understand that you have to go through a care plan before you graduate to wellness care. Wellness care is a graduation. You can't just start care and be like, I would just want to come once a month. Your scan will tell us how often you need to be here. And here's the deal. If you just go to a chiropractor that's kind of like see you as needed, you never really fix the problem. You are just constantly putting a band-aid over it. And that is not what we want to do. We want to give you a care plan to get you to where you are getting over your issues and then you're able to maintain. But a lot of chiropractors just let you do what you want. And that is just not how our office works because we know how much care you're going to need to feel better. But then we want to keep you feeling well. And that's where wellness care comes in. We also work with you and, obviously talk to you through all of this. So, wellness care is about more than pain relief. It's about living a healthier, more balanced lifestyle where your nervous system is in harmony and working at full potential. We address your spinal health, we reduce your stress, we improve your posture, we improve your overall wellness, and it will profoundly affect your quality of life. Every day we say, I don't know what people would do without chiropractic care. I mean, it is so life changing. So, whether you're dealing with a kiddo that's having behavior issues, you are having stress issues, your baby is struggling, or you just want to optimize your health, chiropractic care is the missing piece of of the puzzle you've been looking for. I'm telling you. We appreciate you tuning into today's episode of the Align Family Wellness Podcast. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, leave a review, share this with somebody who needs to hear this. Until next time, please take care of yourself, take care of each other, and you stay healthy and stay happy. And we'll be back next time for more podcasts. Thanks for listening.